In this video today, we will see some of the easy things that you can do in order to make space in your iPhone if your iPhone is running out of space. Now for that one, we will go to settings, we will go to general, iPhone storage, and then let us wait for a few seconds, and here it will show you what things are taking space in your iPhone. If you see, apps and then photos are taking more space, and then there is iOS and then system data. For system data and iOS, I think you can't do that much, but for application and for photos you can definitely do something. So there are some suggestions here also. If you see, if you enable saving of photos to the iCloud, then you can save some space. For me, I can save 10.64 gigabyte of space if I store all the photos to the iCloud instead of saving them in the iPhone. Now you will get 5 GB of free space for iCloud, and if you want more than that, you have to pay some amount. And the other option here is you can offload unused apps. Now if there are many applications in your iPhone, and if there are apps that you don't use frequently, or if there are apps that you have not used for a long time, then you can offload those apps. For me, if I offload, I can save 1.9 gigabyte. Once you offload the app will be deleted from the iPhone, but the data and the document for the app will remain in the iPhone. That means once you again reinstall the application, all the data will be there. So you can enable this option so that iPhone will automatically offload the app that you don't use anymore. Now again, if I go down, you can see photos are taking up more space. So I can tap on the photos, and here also it is giving me suggestions that I can enable storing of photos in the iCloud. And the other thing that I can do is I can remove all the photos that are present in recently deleted album. Once you delete the photos, it will remain in the recently deleted album for about 30 days. Then only the photos or the videos will be deleted from the gallery. So I can tap on this empty button so that the photos or videos present in the recently deleted album will be deleted. For example, if I go to these photos and if I scroll down, then you can see there is recently deleted, where I have 64 photos and videos. So these are the photos that is there, and that is going to stay until 30 days. So what you need to do is you can tap on this empty button here so that all the photos or videos that are present in recently deleted album will be deleted, and you will get some space. Also, if you go down, then there is an option here, review personal videos. So it will show me those videos that are taking more space in my iPhone. I can tap on it, and then I can go and check the videos present here, and I can delete those videos which I don't need so that I can make space in my iPhone. Now let us again go back, and here you can see those applications that are taking space in your iPhone. For example, if you see Cam Scanner, it is taking 1.23 gigabyte. That means whenever I scan photos with this Cam Scanner, those photos will remain in the application also, and if I save it, then it will remain in the photo gallery also. So if I don't need the photos that is present in the Cam Scanner, I can delete the application. I can tap it and I can delete the application so that I can make space in my iPhone. So you can check the space taken by all the websites, all the applications, and you can delete those applications to make space free. Once you delete these applications, you can again reinstall the application so that if there are data present in the application, that gets deleted and you will get some more space. But if there are applications where you need the data, for example, if there are passwords saved for application, once you delete those applications, the password also gets deleted. So in case if you don't know the password, then I will suggest not to delete those applications. So do all of these things and you will be able to get some more space in your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.